G'day! In today's video I'm going to try and make a mirror frame out of this ghetto table I've just pulled out of my kids' playhouse in order to put a mirror into their playhouse. Let me show you what I'm on about. So this is it in all its glory. Looks like it was an old coffee table or something that's got these sort of ornate legs to it. And the previous homeowner attached this bit of, looks like a bit of MDF to it, cut the thing in half and attached it to the playhouse, so there was a little surface there, but you'll see either before or after this video I'm replacing that space with something a bit more purpose built for my girls. But I figured I could take this to the table saw, cut it into strips, and I've got this mirror I picked up a while ago from the $2 shop that I want to sort of set it up against. I have no idea how to do any of that stuff that I just described, but I'm going to give it a go. So I reckon I'll just start this off by taking these ghetto legs off, giving that shitty timber a bit of a whack, see if I can remove that. Not before I've had me coffee. Sit rep, got some timber out of that. So next up, cut it down to size and mitre it. The way I figured it, I'd get some scrap ply, sort of stick it all to that, give me something to glue into, and then if needs be I can screw in from behind. All cut into place, so I've mitered all these on the miter tool. I'm just going to pop them all into place and glue them. So yeah, it's all ready to go, and I've given it a bit of a dry run just to make sure everything's tippy toppy. And I've just got some school glue essentially. Unfortunately for me, we're 3 days into a snap lockdown here in New Zealand, so no hardware stores are open. When they say lockdown here, they really do mean lockdown. Yep, got to adapt and overcome. Use what I've got at hand. So that concludes a quick project I've just done to make a mirror for my little girl's playhouse, out of some scrap I've taken out of said playhouse, with a little mirror from the $2 shop. Kind of a bit of a filler. Snap lockdown in New Zealand, and I refuse to find myself bored. Like I say, I'm a boring person, but I'm never bored. As ever, thank you for watching my video. If this is your kind of thing, like and subscribe for more.
I